With salary grade 11, education is bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units in education. So experience required for training, and then eligibility is the RA 1080 as amended, no? Teacher, elementary and secondary. For teacher 2, bachelor's degree, bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units in education. So graduate ng education, kung hindi na graduate education, like for example, nagkakaroon palipunan, no? Or math, kung walang education, at least you have 18 professional units of education. Then, for teacher 3, bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units. Then, for teaching experience, at least nakakay 2 years teaching experience. And 16 hours of training in any of a cumulative of the following curriculum, pedagogy, subject, specialization acquired within the last 5 years. So dapat yung mga training kaluhan nyo within 5 years. So next year na po, diba, makulangan na po no? Dapat mag-training para at least maintain yung mga certificates of training. Then, for teacher 4, so, teacher 4 in education, bachelor's degree in education or bachelor's degree in relevant subject or learning area with at least 18 professional units in education. Then, 3 years teaching experience. Teacher 4, training at least 16 hours of training in any of the cumulative of the following curriculum, pedagogy, subject, specialization acquired within 5 years. Example, tanan training within 5 years. Teacher 5, okay, same na hapon sa education, at least 3 years in teaching and training, at least 24 hours of training. Then 6, bachelor's degree, then 4 years teaching experience, at least 24 hours of training. Then teacher 7, at least 4 years teaching and 32 hours of training in any of the cumulative katulad na mag-training. Dapat related po sa inyo. Like for example, sa inyong science, so dapat related po sa science, related sa international na so, dito sa master teacher. Master teacher 1, at least master's degree in education. So, kung pag-ikawag sa master teacher, wala pa sa certificate ko lahat ang masters. Then, you should have 5 years teaching experience.
Ay, sorry ma. Abi na po ka-Amiga ni. Sorry. Labi na kung kama. Ano hindi ay ang Amiga na. Sorry mo. Paspas dito nakana pa Amiga day o.
Nawala ang... Nagsulat pa kayo po ba ko Amiga day? Oh, nagsulat pa ko.
Then, for master teacher 2,
ay, tara siya na yun.
Or relevant subject or learning area. Then at least 5 years teaching experience. At least 24 hours of training.
Liho kay akong kamot ba?
So, masin ganahan na mo magpa-master teacher 2. Then, for master teacher 3, okay, master's gapon, same lang. 5 years teaching experience, 24 hours of training. So dito lang kami nung pagkakas sa master
Sila ang
teacher
gagay ng
course,
national
as a
level
master
of Manila.
teacher 5, Parehas sa master
Ayos na expert.
So, sa inyong classification, kung ano yung mga master teacher na nakagaling na, nakagraduate na sa ato ang masteral. Ang sa senior high school lang is dapat no, ang inyong masters is related with sa inyong major. Senior high school. Diba? Kung may example sa STEM,
Mega, ikaw na lang. Okay, para ma...
dapat na nagkaroon ng master.
Sige ka? Ay,
Ikaw na.
wala na price of good work.
So, that's for now. For the qualification standards, dili lang siya mo ay basis sa inyong price, sa inyong classification na pa. To be discussed sa mga next verse. So, ang qualification standards, ako siya, ba't naapila po ito yung
Oh,
sa
consider
iba't
mo.
mga
Ato ni balik-balik ko. Kaminaw.
pinahanglan, malinaw niya,
Kakabing nila, sir, na kasi dalagang nila.
prepare. Okay? So, next, I would like to end my topic with this quote. This reclassification is not just a change in title. It is a recognition of your dedication, competence, and enduring impact as educators and leaders. So God bless. I hope makutanan ang promo. Teacher 3 mo ron, yung mga master, teacher 1, 2, 3, hanggang sa 5. So kung pwede po dati, may mga pong student. So